In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Security after scrolling down. Then click on Password at the top and select one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Then you finally get to create it. Select Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When you finished, select Confirm also at the bottom right corner. Lastly, answer this question by choosing one of the available options. How do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so when I tap and click on Done, I can see that screen lock was applied properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!